ready to transform your vanilla Minecraft server into a thriving, unforgettable online world. First, let's talk world management. A must-have is a plugin that lets you create, manage, and protect different world environments. This prevents players from going too far when exploring and protects your main build. Next up, an economy plugin. With a solid system for buying, selling, and trading, your players can build businesses, run shops, and compete in a dynamic marketplace. You can set up shops and create different money-making opportunities. Griefing can ruin everything. Install an anti-griefing plugin that allows players to claim land and roll back damage, ensuring everyone's creations are safe and sound. This should be one of the first plugins that you download. Finally, let's look at custom commands. Create your own shortcuts and functionalities to streamline server management and add unique features for your players. This helps create a unique experience that makes players want to come back. These are just a few essentials to get you started. Do your research, test different options, and tailor your plugin selection to your community's preferences. Now, go forth and build the ultimate Minecraft server. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.